Hi guys, here we've got OPPO A2x and let me show you how to clear browsing data. First of all, open the browser that you are using. In my case, it is Google Chrome. Just go with all the setup. And now tap on More icon. Here you have to select History, go to Clear Browsing Data, and now mark stuff from Basic and Advanced. Just mark the options that you want to get rid of. For example, if you want to leave your saved passwords smoothly unmarked. However, I want to perform a full cleanup, so let's mark everything, then select the time range, and click on Clear Data. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.